Alright, so here we are again. I got the sewing machine out again, trying to fix these tears in the pillow, in the cushion cover. And apparently this works, but now one cushion, the zipper doesn't close anymore. So I'm gonna have to look for zippers around here and see how that goes. And that's it. So taking them out, and hopefully this zipper will work on the zipper too. Anyways, these ones are gonna be, let me just turn this around. I'm gonna push it over top the wrong way and hope that the zipper will be working. No, I have to replace the zipper too, which I'm sure I can do too, but this one will work. But anyways, it's good to have a sewing machine here on board. I will see you later. Bye.